fam, welcome to part 2 of our New York vlog. If you have not seen part 1, I recommend you do so before checking this one out. I will link it in the description down below for you guys. But welcome. We did sleep in a little bit today, nothing crazy, just till like 10ish. We were exhausted from yesterday, all the walking and the biking. So we're gonna get our day started now. We're just got done getting ready. Danny's wrapping up. We're gonna go get some bagels, walk Central Park, get some pizza, go to the Met Museum, and do some shopping on 5th today. So come with us on our journey. Okay guys, we of course had to try the rainbow bagels. So excited. Wow. Are you excited?
I am. It's delicious. Catch the second one. Tell them the vibes. Tell them the vibes.
We were supposed to ride bikes here, but
what happened?
fuck that.
She
Too
wasn't
tired.
ready.
My thighs hurt. It was uphill. Of course I was not ready. That shit hurt as soon as I started pedaling. So we took a lift and we're here at Central Park now.
Central Park. Let's take a look at this view. There's a lot of people out here, you know, just walking around. A couple of food trucks and whatnot.
Yeah, we had a really busy day yesterday, so I think today's gonna be a little more relaxed because we have more activities to do tomorrow. So yeah, just gonna take a stroll through Central Park, visit the museum, and then eat some pizza.
Eat some pizza?
That's it.
Nice, perfect, lovely. I like it.
Bye. Okay, so we're about halfway through Central Park. We are gonna stop at the Metropolitan, that's what it's called, Metropolitan Museum. We're gonna check it out, probably spend a solid hour in there, maybe hour and a half, I don't know, we'll see. And we'll film for you guys if we can.
We got you covered.
is our last day in New York. We're a little sad, but you know, kind of tired from all the walking, so I guess it's fine. It is also our it's our anniversary day today, the 8th. We are gonna go to the Edge right now.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. But yeah, we're gonna head to the Edge right now. Then we're gonna go on a helicopter ride, which we're so excited for. We're gonna see the city. So we'll definitely take some footage there. And then we're grabbing dinner this evening, and that's pretty much it for the day. We don't have anything else planned. We already have enough for the day, so.
Maybe be able to hit up the Pelé store, but who knows? We'll see.
We'll see where the day takes us. So, yeah, you guys. There's the famous corner where everybody takes pictures. And as you guys can see, there's a line. There is a line.
I am not a fan.
Huh?
I am not a fan, not a fan, not
Of the
a fan.
line? No. So, I think we've been... the sun's just everywhere. I think we've been in line for 10 to 15 minutes now. So please expect to be in line. Make time for that so you can get your famous Edge picture. We are back to our hotel. We are back to our hotel. Wilkins.
Hello there.
We're tired.
Exhausted, more likely.
Yeah, it's been a busy trip. It's been fun though. It's been a good time. We did what we could in the time we were here, and we're excited to come back. Such a big city, so one trip's definitely not enough. You need multiple. Yep, there's still a lot more to do. Yeah. Good morning. It is unfortunately and fortunately time to go home. We are wrapping up packing. Well, we're done. We're about to head out and head back home. It's a direct flight. We leave out of JFK 11:45 and we should be in PDX by I think 2 p.m. Pacific time. You ready?
I am ready to go. It's been nice. It's been fun, New York, but you know what? There's bigger and better things out there in life. I gotta go see. Let's just put it that way.
We hope you guys enjoyed our vlog, our New York vlog. First time here. If you guys have any questions about any of the places we went to or just any information you guys want to know, let me know in the comments. I'll reply as soon as I see them. Thanks for coming with us to New York, you guys. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.